Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by powering off the watch and removing the strap to expose the seams. This reduces tension and prevents accidental damage. Next, remove the back with the correct screwdriver or pry tool while keeping screws organized so you know where each one goes. Once the back is off, disconnect the battery connector briefly to avoid shorting components. Make sure to work on a non-static, padded surface and use a loop if available. These steps protect fragile flex cables and tiny screws. Once opened, gently peel up the display or midframe with a spudger while watching ribbon cable routing so you can recreate it exactly. You'll then remove and transfer sensors, buttons, crown, and any metal shields into the new case. This preserves function and water resistance. While parts are out, clean contacts and replace foam gaskets or adhesive strips to restore seals. Make sure to keep screws grouped and labeled. Proper reassembly depends on returning each part to its original location. You'll reconnect the battery and test the screen, touch response, crown, and sensors before fully sealing the new case so you can correct problems without reopening everything. Once tests pass, apply adhesive or press fit the back with even pressure and allow any glue to cure for the recommended time. If something fails, check connector seating, correct screw torque and gasket orientation. Often a misaligned cable or missing gasket causes faults. Finally, reinstall straps and run a short functional test to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.